Hello everyone, thank you for watching Mad Trucks with Marcos. Today we are checking out a beautiful JL that was upfitted here at our Kunes Country Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram Oregon location in Illinois. It's a beautiful build. We're actually going to check out 3 of their builds today that they've just completed. And it's a great time to buy one of these because with all the incentives that the manufacturers are putting out right now and as aggressive as we're being, it's one of the best times to be shopping for one of these. So we're going to go ahead and check out the stuff that we did on this one. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already to keep on checking out cool vehicles. And you can check out any of our custom trucks at kunescountrytrucks.com. Alrighty guys, so a little different today. About a week ago we did a video and I think it was like 72 degrees and sunny, and that's just one of the benefits of living in the Midwest is getting a variety of weathers. And a Jeep Wrangler is actually one of the best vehicles to handle that in. So this one was actually in the showroom, so as we bring it outside it starts flurrying a little bit. But this is one of the low center of gravity builds done by our in-house 777 customs team, and it's a nice package because most people are going to look at it right off the bat, assumed it's lifted, but in fact all the suspension is right where it was from the factory, and just by doing a couple things like recalibrating the speedometer really makes it seem like you're driving a stock vehicle, and you get these kind of looks. So one of the things that we did have to do on it to get the fenders up, or to get the wheels and tires to fit right, was do the upgraded fenders. So these you can order right through our parts department here, and it's basically like what comes off of the Rubicon. It's just a couple inches higher than what is on the Sports. It gives it a little bit more aggressive look and lets us fit some 35-inch tires. So these are actually 35, 12.5 by 17. It's a BF Goodrich KO2. KO2s have just proven to be an amazing tire, especially in the Midwest here, where one day it's 70 degrees and the next day it's 30 degrees and flurries. It's a tire that the compound it's made out of handles really well. The tread works really well. And it's just really one of the best all-around tires that you can have. Now, the wheels, this is a beautiful wheel. I'd never actually seen this wheel in person. So all the wheels that we have on these, the team kind of just looked at, and everyone here agreed that, yeah, we like these wheels, we like these. And we didn't get to see them aside from pictures, but now that we see them in person, these are gorgeous. These are the Black Rhinos. I'm not going to say the name because I don't know it off the top of my head, but they're Black Rhinos, and I think it's like a gunmetal type finish where it's like silver with a little bit of flake in there, but it's definitely not gloss. And the little black accents around it kind of work really well. And yeah, it just works really well on a black Jeep. It's kind of subtle, but it definitely stands out. Really, it's a unique looking Jeep without really having to do a ton of stuff to it. So as far as price point, it's a great price. It is different rebates depending on where you're located, so call one of our members here. Everyone on the team here loves these vehicles. We're really excited to be able to sell them. And they also know what rebates are going to apply to which state to give you a really accurate price, but I know you can get a great deal on it. Yeah, you don't see too many times with the windshield actually folded down because a lot of people end up never doing it, but we know that we get Jeep people that are actually Jeep people here, and at some point you might fold that windshield down, have a nice little dune buggy. But moving around to the back, it does have the upgraded spare tire carrier. So this one actually has the reinforcements on the inside that bolt to this, and basically now that back door is just hanging. So this back door is basically just hanging on that as opposed to all the weight being on that back door, which really makes a difference when you have a 35-inch tire, but you can see how nice and easily this opens and closes. And it's really one of those things you got to do. It's nice that you have the spare or the backup camera on the JLs now, so it's nice to be able to relocate that to make it work. This one, I believe, let me tap the brake mat. I believe it's also got the ring. So it's got like an LED ring in the back, which is also nice. It looks cool, and it also replaces the fact that you need a third brake light. Which is kind of one of the things that we got to keep because we want these to be able to be street legal in basically all 50 states. But yeah, that was just a quick look at it. Like I said, a simple, clean build still leaves plenty of room for you to, kind of add your own stuff and customize a little bit. So yeah, if you have any questions, please holler and have a fantastic day.